Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into how the NFL, a global brand with one of the most passionate fan bases in the world, uses customer segmentation to drive its digital marketing efforts. Now, when you think of the NFL, you probably picture the action on the field, the roaring fans, and the teams battling it out. But behind the scenes, there's a sophisticated strategy that keeps those fans engaged, connected, and loyal. The NFL is not just a sports organization, it's also a marketing powerhouse that knows how to leverage data and technology to understand its diverse fan base. From season ticket holders to casual viewers, the NFL tailors its marketing to each segment, ensuring that every fan feels personally connected to the game. Today, we're going to look at how the NFL implements segmentation across its digital platforms, the technology they use, the success stories they've had, and how these strategies could be applied to your business. By the end of this talk, I hope you'll have a deeper understanding of how powerful customer segmentation can be when it's used effectively. Before we start, I'd like to make an important clarification. The content shared in this presentation has been generated using advanced AI tools, and while it's based on extensive research from publicly available information on the internet, it does not officially represent the NFL or any of its affiliated organizations. The strategies, examples, and case studies mentioned here are synthesized from publicly accessible sources and aim to provide educational insights into how large organizations like the NFL use customer segmentation in digital marketing. Aspen AI does not claim any official partnership, endorsement, or affiliation with the NFL. The intention of this presentation is to share best practices and lessons from various research to help you understand how customer segmentation works in real-world scenarios. We encourage you to apply these insights thoughtfully and within your own organizational context. Thank you for your understanding, and we hope the knowledge presented today helps you in your own digital marketing efforts. The NFL has a massive and diverse fan base. Think about it, there are die-hard season ticket holders who live and breathe football, fantasy football enthusiasts who may not care about a specific team but are deeply invested in individual players, and then there are casual viewers who only tune in for the Super Bowl halftime show. All of these fans interact with the NFL in very different ways, so a blanket marketing approach just wouldn't work. This is where customer segmentation comes in. It's all about dividing fans into distinct groups based on their behavior, preferences, and engagement levels. By understanding what drives each group, the NFL can deliver highly personalized marketing, from email campaigns to mobile app notifications, ensuring that each fan receives content and offers that resonate with them. Let's start by breaking down some of the key segments the NFL focuses on in its marketing strategy. Season ticket holders. These are the most dedicated fans. They're not just attending games, they're emotionally invested in their teams and expect a high level of engagement. The NFL targets this group with personalized content, such as exclusive behind-the-scenes videos, early access to game day tickets, and VIP merchandise offers. Fantasy football players. Fantasy football is a huge part of the NFL's digital ecosystem. Millions of fans participate in fantasy leagues, even if they're not deeply invested in a particular team. The NFL creates tailored content for this segment, offering real-time player stats, trade advice, injury updates, and in-depth analysis to keep them engaged throughout the season. Casual viewers. Then you have the casual fans, those who may only watch during the Super Bowl or major playoff games. For this group, the NFL focuses on broader, high-impact marketing. Think promotions for halftime performances, celebrity appearances, or unique event-specific merchandise. International fans. As the NFL expands its reach globally, they're targeting new audiences outside the US in the UK, Mexico, and even Germany. The NFL tailors its content to meet local fan preferences. They translate content into different languages, promote international games, and highlight players from those regions to build local loyalty. These segments give the NFL a foundation to deliver personalized, relevant content that keeps fans engaged and connected with the brand year-round, not just during the football season. The NFL's ability to successfully segment its audience relies heavily on data collection and technology. Behind every personalized email or targeted ad is a wealth of data that helps the NFL understand fan behavior. Let's talk about some of the key tools and technologies the NFL uses to power their segmentation efforts. Salesforce CRM. The NFL uses Salesforce as a centralized platform to manage fan data. Every interaction a fan has, whether it's purchasing a ticket, visiting the NFL website, or engaging with the mobile app, gets recorded in Salesforce. This data is then used to segment fans into different groups, allowing the NFL to create highly personalized campaigns based on each fan's behavior. AI and machine learning. The NFL leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to make sense of the massive amounts of data they collect. AI tools analyze fan behavior in real time, predicting what content or offer a fan is most likely to engage with. Machine learning algorithms constantly learn from fan interactions, refining segmentation models and helping the NFL target the right fans with the right message at the right time. Predictive analytics. The NFL uses predictive analytics to forecast future fan behavior. For instance, they can predict which fans are likely to churn, those who might stop engaging with the NFL altogether, and then target them with re-engagement campaigns. They also predict which casual viewers might convert into more loyal fans based on their engagement with specific types of content, such as highlight reels or game day analysis. Mobile app tracking. The NFL's mobile app is one of their most powerful tools for collecting fan data. Every time a fan checks a score, streams a game, or watches a player interview, that data is tracked. This allows the NFL to segment fans based on their digital engagement habits. For example, fans who frequently check scores but never stream games might be targeted with offers for free streaming trials or premium subscriptions to NFL Game Pass. One of the NFL's biggest success stories when it comes to customer segmentation is their approach to fantasy football players. Fantasy football represents a unique fan segment that consumes content differently from traditional fans. These fans are less focused on a single team and more interested in individual players, stats, and in-depth analysis. The NFL recognized this and created a tailored experience specifically for this audience. They developed fantasy-specific content, including weekly injury reports, trade recommendations, and player rankings, all available through the NFL app and website. Additionally, they send out targeted email campaigns with fantasy league updates and personalized player stats, keeping fans engaged with the NFL throughout the season. The results were phenomenal. Fantasy football players not only engaged with the NFL app more frequently, but they also became more valuable customers, purchasing fantasy-specific merchandise and subscribing to premium services like NFL Game Pass. This targeted approach led to increased app engagement, higher subscription rates, and additional advertising revenue. Let's shift gears and talk about the NFL's most significant event, the Super Bowl. This is not just a football game, it's a global cultural event watched by millions, including people who may never watch football otherwise. The NFL's marketing team uses segmentation to make sure they're reaching each part of their audience effectively during this high-stakes event. In stadium fans attending the game in person are treated to a unique experience, receiving real-time push notifications about VIP areas, merchandise sales, or exclusive events happening at the stadium. The NFL knows these fans are looking for more than just the game. They want the full Super Bowl experience, and the NFL delivers that by targeting them with stadium-specific offers. Super Bowl party hosts. Then there's the segment of fans who host or attend Super Bowl parties. The NFL engages these viewers with content that goes beyond the game. Leading up to the event, they push ads for food delivery services, home entertainment systems, and team-branded party supplies. This segment is less about the game itself and more about the social experience, and the NFL understands how to market to this behavior. First-time viewers. Finally, there are the first-time viewers or casual fans who are tuning in for the halftime show or just because it's a cultural phenomenon. The NFL targets these viewers with content that focuses more on entertainment than football celebrity appearances, musical performances, and behind-the-scenes footage from the event. The goal is to capture their attention and convert them into regular NFL viewers. By using segmentation to target these various groups, the NFL is able to maximize engagement during the Super Bowl, ensuring that every type of fan, whether they're hardcore football enthusiasts or casual viewers, is getting content tailored specifically to their interests. Another excellent example of segmentation driving success is the NFL's Red Zone service. Red Zone is a premium product that shows live coverage of every touchdown and key play across all the Sunday afternoon games, a dream for fantasy football players and hardcore fans. The NFL used segmentation to identify fans who were already switching between multiple games during broadcasts, or those frequently checking scores across the league. These fans were prime candidates for Red Zone, and the NFL targeted them with personalized ads and email campaigns promoting the service. By offering relevant, targeted content to this segment, the NFL saw a significant increase in Red Zone subscriptions, making it one of their most profitable digital products. Now that we've explored how the NFL uses segmentation to engage its fan base, let's talk about how you can apply these strategies to your own business. Know your audience. Start by identifying the key segments in your customer base. Whether you're a small business or a global brand, understanding who your customers are and what they care about is the first step. Leverage technology. Use CRM tools like Salesforce to capture customer data and segment your audience. Integrate AI and machine learning to make sense of large data sets and predict customer behavior, just like the NFL does. Tailor your content. Each customer segment should receive content that's relevant to them. High-value customers may need personalized offers, while casual viewers might respond better to broad, entertaining content. Test and iterate. Segmentation isn't a one-time effort. Continuously test your strategies, learn from the data, and adjust your campaigns to keep engagement high. The NFL's success with customer segmentation is a clear example of how powerful this strategy can be when done right. By understanding the diverse needs of their fan base, leveraging technology to segment their audience, and delivering personalized content, the NFL has been able to drive engagement, boost revenue, and build deeper relationships with their fans. If you want to learn more about customer segmentation and how to apply it to your business, I encourage you to visit aspenai.com and take the Customer Segmentation Mastery course. It's a great opportunity to get certified and start using these powerful strategies to grow your business. Thank you for your time today. I hope you leave with a clearer understanding of how the NFL uses segmentation to connect with its audience and how you can implement similar tactics to boost engagement in your own organization.